Welcome, my name is Steve with CloudArc, and in this video we'll walk you through a simple process of creating a lookup filter in Salesforce. This is especially helpful when you want to make sure users only see the most relevant records when filling out a lookup field, which keeps your data clean and helps you improve accuracy. And when you're done learning how to create lookup filters, we've got another video coming up that will show you how to increase Salesforce efficiency while reducing license costs. It even introduces a new program that offers rebates on your Salesforce licenses, dollars that you can reuse to invest in training or consulting. So be sure to check that out after this, and let's dive in. First, from anywhere in Salesforce, click the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen and select Setup. This will take you to the Setup area where you can make changes to your Salesforce schema. In the Quick Find box on the left-hand side, type Object Manager, then click on Object Manager in the results. Once in Object Manager, search for and select the object that contains the lookup field that you want to filter. For this example, let's select the case object. Inside the case object, go to Fields and Relationships, find the lookup field that you want to filter on, for example, contact name, and click into it. Scroll down to the section called Lookup Filter and click Edit or Add a Filter. In the filter editor, set your condition. For example, set the contact field equal to account ID, the operator to equals, and the case equal to account ID. This ensures that when users pick a contact for a case, only contacts from the same account appear in the lookup. You can also decide if this filter should be required, meaning users must follow it, or optional, which lets them remove the filter if needed. Once done, click Save. Now let's verify. Go to the Cases tab and open a case record. Click Edit, and when you use the contact lookup, you'll notice it only displays contacts related to the case's accounts. You've successfully created a lookup filter now in Salesforce. This helps ensure that your users are linking records correctly while keeping your data more accurate and reliable. Now, we've just scratched the surface today. On the screen and in the description, I've included links to our Salesforce user training playlist. I've also included a 5-minute video that will walk you through the strategies to improve results and reduce Salesforce costs, including details about a Salesforce OSP program, which is basically a rebate program that helps you fund your training and consulting with dollars from your license budget. So please check out how to maximize Salesforce and spend just a few more minutes of your precious time with us. We promise to help you take Salesforce to a whole nother level in your company. Finally, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. See you soon.